Alright guys, so after bragging about how great the 62 was since I got it back in 2012 and I haven't had any issues with it, I just replaced the sliders in the mixer. I just realized that I have an issue with it. The output for the left channel is starting to fade out. So that means I gotta open this mixer up and see what the heck is going on. Alright, so I've never had to open up this mixer before, aside from, cleaning the faders. So I guess I'll just start with the basic screws here on top, the ones that remove the faceplate, and then I'll just keep going. Ow. It's just really odd that it started doing that to me, but I really haven't been scratching through my main monitors. I've been just mainly scratching through the headphone cue because I don't like being too loud. I mean, I have taken this front panel off before. See, so this whole little guy just comes out like that. Alright, well, I'll put that to the side. Let's see if I can figure out. But unfortunately, it looks like I have to take all of these screws out. That's a bummer. Let's see. But I do believe they're all the same size. See, I could be wrong though. Maybe it's just these outer screws. So maybe all I have to do is remove those. Oh, and there's two more here. This would be great. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna have to take off all this stuff. Man, what a pain in the butt. I didn't want to have to unscrew all of these just to get this off, but it looks like they're leaving me no choice. Alright, so I got a little socket set, and it looks like it's an 11 millimeter. So this should make this a little easier for me now. Alright, now that I got all of these loose, and I gotta make sure, you know, that they were all loose, that I could actually lift them off. This little faceplate here should come off. So that comes off. Alright, now I need to remove this screw, and this screw. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So now I just gotta be careful because there's a bunch of ribbon cables that I have to be mindful of because I don't want to tear them. So you see those ribbon cables in there. Go. So I disconnected those. So I should be able to just slide this off now. So let's move that to the side. So what I'm really looking at is all of these to make sure that none of these are swollen. Is there anything in here that looks swollen or burned? So far, all of these little capacitors look fine. Alright. So I'm gonna continue to look on this board and see if I can find anything that looks out of the ordinary. Let's see here. So now I gotta remove these down here so that these will come out, and I think I gotta remove those screws too. Alright, so now I have all of those removed. So let's see what else I have to remove. Looks like I gotta remove this screw, these two screws, and these screws. Good Lord. Okay. Yep, we're almost there. Just gotta remove these last two on this mic input. You can see it's starting to slide out of there. Okay, now I should be able to just slide this out. Oh, almost forgot. I need to disconnect these wires to the power cord. So just got to remember green is down here on the left, and then white and black. So white on top. Hooray. Guess I could move this now. So basically what I'm going to end up doing, since I can't really see anything physically that's wrong with this board, nothing really stands out to me, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm just going to go over all of these little solder joints here and retouch them. Sometimes these solder joints can get old and they can crack. That can cause issues. So I've had a few Vestex mixers do that to me because of the solder joints, and it would start crackling and howling. Alright guys, so I got the mixer all put back together. Sorry I didn't record that process. I ran out of space on the card that I had in here, so I just went ahead and put the mixer back together anyway. But I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know that after I did solder all those little contact points on the board, that did fix the issue. So now I am getting both channels, and nice and strong. It's not fading out anymore. It's not crackling anymore. So you know, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up and let you know that that did fix the issue. So hopefully this video helps you guys out, and yeah, thanks for watching once again.